Turkey. Question number 26. Which of the following was the important center of Wahhabi movement in India? The right answer is option B, Patna. Question number 27. Which of the following event is linked to beginning of the drain of wealth from India to England? The right answer is grant of Diwani. Which of the following was the founder of the renowned Presidency College of Calcutta? The right answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 29. Who was the first Dutchman to reach India? The right answer is Houtman. Question number 30. Who was the first Governor General of India? The right answer is Lord William Bentinck. Question number 31. Who was the founder of the newspaper Harijan? The right answer is M.K. Gandhi. Question number 32. What was the share of Zamindar in the permanent settlement system? The right answer is 1/11. Question number 33. Which of the following coastal area of India was given the name Carnatic by Europeans? The right answer is Coromandel Coast. Question number 34. Which act during British India gave the power to President to issue ordinances? The right answer is Government of India Act 1935. Question number 35. Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Jnana Yoga are the works of which among the following social reformers of India? The right answer is Swami Vivekananda. Question number 36. Who among the following was placed on the throne of Nawab of Bengal after the Battle of Buxar? The right answer is option C, Mir Jafar. Question number 37. The term bleeding Madras is related to which among the following? The right answer is a type of cloth. Question number 38. In which year submarine telegraphy system was opened between India and Europe? The right answer is C, 1865. Question number 39. Which of the following leaders said that the Act of 1935 provided a machine with strong brakes but no engine? The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 40. The Battle of Vandi Wash was fought between The right answer is the English and the French. Question number 41. Which of the following acts had provisions of Indian civil services recruitment on the basis of competitive examination? The right answer is Charter Act of 1853. Question number 42. Who of the following was called by the British to be the father of Indian unrest? The right answer is Lokmanya Tilak. Question number 43. In which year Azad Hind Radio Service was started? The right answer is 1942. Question number 44. Who threw two bombs on the door of the Central Assembly in New Delhi on April 18, 1929? The right answer is both A and B. Question number 45. The prime causes of the 1857 mutiny did not include. The right answer is laws forbidding intermarriages between Indians and the British. Question number 46. The Third Battle of Panipat was fought in which year? The right answer is 1761. Question number 47. Who was the first to raise the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? The right answer is Bhagat Singh. Question number 48. Who announced that after the death of Bahadur Shah Zafar, the family of the king would be shifted out of the Red Fort? The right answer is Dalhousie. Question number 49. Tilak Swaraja Fund was started to finance the. The right answer is non-cooperation movement. Question number 50. Who planted the tree of liberty at Srirangapatnam? The right answer is Tipu Sultan.